Hey everyone! If you've ever wanted to capture everything on your screen with your Samsung device, stick around because today I'm showing you how to take a full screen screenshot in just a few easy steps. First things first, navigate to the content you want to capture. It could be a website, a chat, or anything that interests you. Now, there are a couple of ways to take a screenshot. The most common method is to press the volume down and power buttons simultaneously. Just like that, you have captured your screen. But did you know you can capture more than what's visible on your screen, like an entire web page? You'll want to use the scroll capture feature. After taking your screenshot, tap the scroll capture option that appears at the bottom of the screen. Keep tapping until you've captured everything you need. And there you have it. You can now view, edit, and share your screenshot from the Gallery app or the notification panel. Taking full screen screenshots on your Samsung is as simple as that. Experiment with these methods and choose the one that best suits your needs. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, share with your friends, and subscribe